The lying cable rope face pull is a variation of the classic standing cable rope face pull that provides extra stability, thus making it easier to apply more tension while targeting the upper and mid-back muscles, including the rear delts, upper traps, and rhomboids. You can also do the seated cable rope face pull on a bench. Here's how to do it correctly. Attach a rope handle to a mid to high pulley on a cable machine. Lie flat on the floor in front of the cable machine with both knees bent, with one foot planted into the floor and the other pressed into the cable machine for extra stability. Grasp the rope with an overhand, palms facing down grip, then extend your arms fully towards the pulley while maintaining tension in the cable. Engage your core and keep your back pressed against the floor to maintain stability. Exhale as you pull the rope towards your face, driving your elbows back and outward to create a Y shape with the rope and cable. Focus on squeezing your rear delts, traps, and rhomboids while keeping your shoulders down and back to avoid shrugging. Pause for a brief moment to maximize the contraction in your back. Inhale as you slowly extend your arms back to the starting position while thinking about pulling your shoulder blades apart while maintaining control of the cable. Repeat for reps. Subscribe to get a new exercise video demo every day.